Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G54 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches Full HD Plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 90% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 405 ppi. Pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, paired with IMG BXM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.56 by 73.82 by 7.99 mm, and it weights around 177 grams. The color options: midnight blue, indigo blue, glacier blue, mint green. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, water-repellent design for water protection, and with NFC. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G54 5G has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $195 US. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G54 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.